In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to your cart on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a first timer, this guide will make the process straightforward and enjoyable. Let's dive in. Start by logging into your eBay account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create it first. This step is essential as it allows you to track your purchases, communicate with sellers, and manage your orders effectively. Once logged in, head over to the search bar at the top of the page. Think about what you're looking to purchase and type the product name into the search bar. For instance, you might be looking for an iPhone 13 case or a PS4 controller. The search bar is your gateway to finding a vast array of products available from different sellers around the world. After entering your search terms, you'll see a list of relevant items. Browse through the results and click on a product that catches your eye. This will take you to the listing page for that specific item. Here you'll find important details that will help you make an informed purchasing decision. On the product listing page, it's crucial to check a few key elements. First, consider the price, ensuring it fits within your budget. Then examine the condition of the item, whether it's new or used, and look at the seller's rating to gauge their reliability. Don't forget to review the shipping details so you know when to expect your delivery and any additional costs involved. If after reviewing the listing you decide you'd like to purchase the item, check to see if the seller allows cart purchases. You can tell by looking for a blue Add to Cart button. If you see it, go ahead and click the button. When you add an item to your cart, you'll receive a pop-up confirmation on your screen. This is a quick nod from eBay assuring you that the item has successfully been added to your cart. At this point you have a couple of options. You can choose to click Go to Cart, which allows you to review all the items you've collected so far. This is a smart choice if you're ready to check out or want to confirm everything is in order before purchasing. Alternatively, you can continue browsing eBay for more items, adding additional products to your cart as you go. Finally, remember that you can access your cart anytime. Just click on the cart icon located in the top right corner of any eBay page. This icon is your personal marketplace basket where all your chosen items are kept until you're ready to complete your purchase. And there you have it. You now know how to smoothly add items to your cart on eBay, making your online shopping experience seamless and efficient. Happy shopping!